Did you know as we speak, the sound from our mouth can be heard by ear due to the vibration of eardrum? The sound can travel to the ear by vibration of the air particles. Musical instruments also applies the same concept, using different combination of vibration to produce music. For the split acorn consists of two units, which are indoor unit and outdoor unit. Now we focus more on the outdoor unit. Do you know that there are three important parameters in vibration system that you need to understand? They are mass, spring, and damper. If these three parameters present, then the acorn will have mechanical vibration system. From the basic model outdoor unit of acorn, it has the condenser as the mass. The condenser is in equilibrium by the base mount as damper, and lower base spring suspension as the spring stiffness. When the condenser operated, the fan blade will produce rotating movement and will produce a force. This force will make more vibration in air condenser, causes some displacement adds to occur. So these cases are related to the equation of motion. Normal problem happen to the outdoor unit is the condenser produce noise sound. At the worst condition, condenser start to vibrate.
One more ride, one more race. We go all out, we don't play.
Why does the fan blade cause vibration in air conditioning system? The fan circulates heat transfer by circulating air across the condenser coil. From wear and tear over time, the fan becomes warped. This could be caused from debris falling on the blade or worn out bearing that cause the blade to rotate out of balance. The uneven blade will cause the motor it attached to vibrate strongly and cause noisy sound. To solve the problem caused by the fan blade, you need to regularly clean the fan blade. If cleaning the fan doesn't fix the problem, try balancing the blade alignment or change the worn out bearing.
Cause of vibration: loose screw. Why? Loosening screw due to vibration applied in air conditioner. In such a case, the screw can undergo return rotation, causing it to loosen because of vibration of the air conditioner.
I wanna make up right now, nah, nah. I wanna make up right now, nah, nah. Wish we
I have seen the rubber anti-vibration screw offered for sale in various places. These generally considered to be effective as screws to avoid loose and vibration. For solution to mechanical solution such as spring washer, split pin, lock nuts, nylon insert, and tab washer are seen by some as the way to overcome this loosening action, and why some success can be achieved.
Don't stop, make it pop, DJ blow my speakers up.
As a conclusion, we already know the importance parameter in vibrating system, some causes that will lead to air conditioning vibration, and finally how to solve the problems. Here, I would like to give you some tips on how to prevent the vibration noise of air conditioner right from the very beginning. Firstly, make sure it is correctly installed from the very beginning. Error during installation will lead to other problems. Secondly, don't skip the maintenance schedules. This will prevent from any major damage to the air conditioner later. And lastly, I am recommend you to buy the new one than the second-hand one, because they are near to the end of their life and much more noisier than the new ones.